Welcome back to App Mentor. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing your Duolingo app icon. Customizing your app icon can add a personal touch to your device and make it easier to identify your favorite language learning tool. Follow the simple steps to update your Duolingo icon quickly and easily. First, find a Duolingo icon you want for your Duolingo app. You can just go to Google, type in Duolingo icon, and go to Images. Select the image you like. After that, save it in your device or iPhone. Now let's head over to your Shortcuts app. From here, tap the plus sign on the top right of your screen. After that, click on Open App over here. On the app, search Duolingo app. Now let's tap the drop down arrow on the top, then click Add to Home Screen. From here, under Home Screen, name an icon. Click this profile to change the photo. On the options, select Choose Photo, then browse your Duolingo icon and select it. After that, don't forget to name it as Duolingo. Then click Add on the top right once done. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily customize your app to suit your personal style. If you encounter any issues or don't see the option, consider updating the app or checking the support resources provided by Duolingo. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!